Chia is an edible seed that comes from the desert plant Salvia hispanica that belongs to the mint family. Chia means strength. It is basically used as an energy booster. Chia is popularly grown in Mexico. Chia seeds are amongst the healthiest food on the planet. Despite their small size, chia seeds are full of important nutrients. They are loaded with nutrients that can have important benefits for your body and brain. Chia seeds, particularly the Salbia variety, are high in iron, folate, calcium, magnesium, omega 3 fatty acids, and soluble fiber. How to eat chia seeds? Chia seeds can be eaten raw or prepared in a number of dishes. Sprinkle ground or whole chia seeds on cereal, rice, yogurt, or vegetables. In Mexico, a dish called chia fresco is made by soaking chia seeds in fruit juice or water. So, chia seeds are very absorbent and they develop a gelatinous texture when soaked in water, making it easy to mix them into a cooked cereal or other dishes. The seeds are not the only important part of the chia plant. The sprouts also are edible. In vegan baking, they can replace eggs. So, to use them as an egg substitute in baking, try mixing 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Then let them sit for a few minutes. A gel will form that can be used instead of eggs in baking. For gluten-free option, grounded chia seeds can be used to replace all-purpose flour for baking. There are various health benefits of chia seeds that are supported by science. So chia seeds are not only rich in nutrients, omega 3 fat, antioxidants and fiber, but also easy to prepare. People commonly add them to their porridge or smoothies. Studies suggest that they have various health benefits ranging from weight loss to reduced inflammation. Chia seeds may help build strong bones. Chia seeds are high in phosphorus and magnesium. So these two minerals that can help keep our bones healthy. Chia seeds are a complete protein. Proteins that contain all the essential amino acids that your body needs to keep functioning. Chia seeds can help you stay hydrated. Chia seeds soak up a lot of water, so they might help athletes or endurance runners stay hydrated. Chia seeds may help you lose weight. They actually expand and they get this gelatinous consistency that helps people stay full a little bit longer. Next is modest protection against cardiovascular disease. Chia seeds are a source of alpha linolenic acid, that is ALA, a type of omega 3 fatty acids that may offer a modest protection against cardiovascular disease. ALA is an essential fatty acid because your body cannot produce it on its own, so you have to consume it from food. So these were the various health benefits of chia seeds. So if you don't eat chia seeds already, you should definitely consider adding them to your diet. They are among the few superfoods worthy of the title. And I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.